How to detect out-of-band interference without traffic interruption using the Spectrum Compact. 1. Attach a coax to waveguide converter to the Spectrum Compact using a coaxial cable. 2. Enter the center frequency of the desired channel, for example 17.2 GHz, and adjust span to 200. Under Trace menu, turn on Average 8 settings. It will reduce noise level and help to better visualize signal. 3. Once at the installation site, place the waveguide converter next to the antenna. Turn flange to a horizontal position and aim at the remote site. This way you'll be able to check for vertical polarization interference. 4. Do a spectrum scan. It only takes a second and is completed once the graph has been fully drawn across the screen. Examine the spectrum curve. Under good conditions, the curve should be even. If it's stepped or has one or several prominent spikes on top of or right next to it, that's a sure sign of interference. 5. Save the spectrum curve by pressing the Save button. It will be saved as a file on the SC device and you will be able to find it under Tools, Files menu. The saved spectrum curves are useful for future reference, to later check if and how the situation has changed. 6. Repeat the measurement in the opposite polarization. This will give you information whether both polarizations are interference-free, and if not, then in which polarization is the interferer. Press Home, then sweep Continue. Turn flange to a vertical position and aim it at the remote site to scan the horizontal polarization. Save the spectrum curve by pressing the Save button. All of the saved files can be transferred to a PC through a USB cable, and the free Spectrum Compact PC software will give you a wide range of options for processing the data. SAF Spectrum Compact, designed with field engineer in mind.